Hello everyone, welcome to Monty Excel, Excel in Life. Wherever you are in this world, we all speak one language, that is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft has been on a roll and rolling out every time with a new exciting features. Let's take a look at the new feature called Excel Navigation Pane, simplifying your spreadsheet experience for those who navigate through extensive spreadsheet features, numerous sheets and a wealth of data. This tool is your essential companion. Think about it. Dealing with a really big spreadsheets include numerous sheets and abundance of a content. All right, here you can see Superstore sales information based on which we have created 500 tabs of pivot tables in the previous video. That is creating multiple pivots within a small shortcut key which you have seen in the previous video. Now that if I want to find a particular sheet in which I want to do some changes, it's really difficult because the 500 sheets, and if I want to particularly find out where is Atlanta, it's really difficult. If I want to find out where is Chicago, it's difficult, right? So here is where the navigation pan comes into your rescue. It stands as an indispensable tool tailored to the routine users of Excel. To access it, head over to the View tab. Under that, you'll see right here, navigation. When you click on the navigation, you can find all the tabs information at the pan list. So whichever you want to go to that particular sheet, you can just double click on that. You can see that particular sheet is popping up. Not only that, if you want to rename it, you can still rename the sheet from here. So let me just say underscore test, and let's see if the sheet name changes. Yes, absolutely. The sheet name is now changed. So here are the complete sheet list where we can easily navigate. But what if we want to find the favorite city, you need to scroll? No, not really. You can search directly. For example, Atlanta, and you can see the Atlanta is appeared here. Double click on it. You can directly reach to the working page of Atlanta. So this is one of the easiest way of finding your tabs when you are working with multiple sheets, which is a very huge file. If you find this video informative, then click on like button and make sure to subscribe to Monty Excel. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.